Hello, people. So I've been trying to watch this one particular, series called Married Woman that is on Alt Balaji and on the Z Premium app, and it has Riddhi Dogra, Monica Dogra, um, uh, Nazruddin Shah's son Imad Shah, and among a host of others. And the whole show is based on Manju Kapoor's book, A Married Woman. So, really, people, I would recommend this film. That is, it will help you see the world in a very. It's basically that's what it deals with, these little known themes of, I don't know, that's what, a lesbian love story and all. So the performances kind of draw you in, especially Ridhima Dogra. Her there's a certain vulnerability that she's able to bring to her character that is very appealing. So do try and catch it, people. It's called A Married Woman, and you can see it on the Alt Balaji app. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.